A work can be completed by A, B and C in 12, 15 and 24 days. A started the work and worked for 2 days. Then B joined A and together they worked for 5 more days, and then C completes the remaining work. Find the time taken by C to complete the remaining work. Before we solve the question, I hope that you have already watched all the concept videos on time and work plus the model questions on time and work. In case if you haven't watched it, I've given the links of all the concepts and the model questions in the description. So do watch all those videos and get a clear picture of how we are going to utilize those tricks and traits in these questions. So as usual, we can start the approach by using the 3-step approach. So in step number 1, let's try finding the total number of units to be completed. So A completes the job in 12 days, B in 15 and C in 24 days. So what is the LCM of 12, 15 and 24? If you use the LCM trick, we can find out that the LCM of these 3 numbers is 120. So the total number of units to be completed is 120 units. Now step number 2. How many units will A, B and C complete in 1 day? So A completes 120 units in 12 days of time. So how many units will A complete in 1 day? 10 units. How many units will B complete in 1 day? B completes 120 units in 15 days of time. So B can complete 8 units in a single day. What about C? C completes the same 120 units in 24 days. So 120 in 24 days, which means 5 units per day. Now the last and the final part. Proceed as per the question. What have they given here? A started the work and worked for 2 days. So A can complete 10 units in a single day. So in 2 days, he would have completed 20 units, right? And then B joins A. If A and B are joining together, how many units can they complete? A can complete 10. B can complete 8. So A and B together can complete 18 units per day. And together they worked at it for 5 days. If A and B are working together for 5 days, how many units can they complete? 90 units. So already A alone completes 20. Now A and B completes 90. So on the whole, 110 units are done. Now C completes the remaining work alone. What is the remaining number of units to be completed? Just 10 more units, right? And who's going to complete this? The person C. And we clearly know that C can complete 5 units per day. So how long will it take for C to complete this 10 units? Just 2 days of time. And what is the question? Find the time taken by C to complete the remaining work. Very important. They are asking you to find the time taken to complete the remaining work. So what is our answer? Just 2 days of time.